That's us all ready to move. The hotel we stayed in last night. Good big spot. This morning we're heading for the William Wallace Memorial. Oh dear, that's us on the road again. Hopefully it stays dry today. Heading for the William Wallace Memorial. We voted last night, that's what we'll do this morning. We'll have to leave room for a leave time to get back to the boat. 8 o'clock boat tonight, so we'll loads of time today. What time's there now? 20 to 9. We decided to stop at least every hour or before, just for a wee break, stretch the legs. Yeah, that's Loch Lomond there, just on the left hand side of me here. A nice wee dry line in the middle of the road here. You see it there? Boy, they're sound asleep. Get up. Yeah, lovely breakfast and all that place. Not too bad. A few wee leaks in the roof. Listed building. Oh, there's the road perfect dry now. Oh, switches off and I'll get back. You can hear this William Wallace place. I think it's over in Stirling. We'll chat later. Bye. I'll drop my mic there quick, I didn't even put it in right. Just hold my chin up against it here, hope it stays in place. Yeah, that's us in Stirling here. 1.8 mile away from the Wallace Memorial. Series of wee roundabouts here. Loads of them. Yeah, there's something way in the distance, one of the others over there. See it there? Taxi. Over an old bridge. No bridge there too, big God. And another one. Green light here. Let's hope we get time to fix my mic in. I haven't far to go anyway, 1.4 mile. People run until I get there. Traffic jam there. The usual old roadworks. Couple of bikers there. Give them a wee nod. Yeah, it went well there. I made a wee bit of a wrong turn. It was my fault. Not too bad. Still not 10 o'clock yet. Yeah, it was a fairly straight road there, this last few mile. Very open country. You see for miles. Yeah, I wonder if that's the Wallace Memorial there. Where we're heading to. I think it is, you know. Massive, isn't it? Alright, well then. Wallace Monument. We're on the right road anyway. Wee switchback here. I like the wee switchbacks. P&O text message. See it there up there now. Not gonna drive up here, no.
Once you start somewhere, unless you want to restart from the bottom.
This is the walk up to the memorial. It is steep. I mean, you can see it not on the camera.
Have you ever been put in a position where you didn't think that you had the strength to carry on? You must never give up. You felt a sense of weakness. You wasn't clear about exactly what was necessary for you to get to where you needed to be.
Never means under no circumstances do you give yourself permission to stop. I mean, it might cross your mind, you might be tempted, but you never give in to the temptation to quit. All quitting is a temptation, and you gave into it.
There is always an upgrade tied to your pain. Your tears have not been cried in vain. Your effort is not in vain. So when you encounter a major setback, if you encounter a major roadblock, say to yourself, wow, something huge must be on the way.
You didn't understand why all of these things were pulling you down. You didn't realize that you were all by yourself in this particular situation. Not realizing that you needed something to electrify your ideas, to give you a sense of hope, to give you some recognition that work needed to be done.
Quitting first starts as a thought. We all get that thought. It comes across your mind, I'm tired, I should quit. We all get those thoughts. It's not just you. But in order to finish, you gotta be able to take those thoughts captives. You gotta be able to talk yourself into it and stop talking yourself out of it. Man, I'm tired, I should quit. That's when you talk yourself out of quitting.
Elevation requires patience and endurance because it often comes packaged in the form of pain. As you get closer to your breakthrough, it may begin to look like everything is falling apart.
This is the time that you must wake up and realize that giving up is not the option that you must take.
You gotta have that mindset that quitting is not an option. Give up? Who, me? Never. Stop? Who, me? Never. That's for the next guy. That's for the next girl. But not me. Why? Because I don't quit. That ain't how I do it. That ain't how I roll. I never give up.
You must understand that there will come a time in your life that circumstances are going to challenge you no matter what you do, but you must never give up.
Don't let the obstacles discourage you and make you believe that it's not meant to be. Pursue when it's hard. Pursue even when it would make more sense to give up.
We've just been to the Kelpies. Now we're heading to the full court wheel. Wow. So we'll have to do a few motorway miles here. Down for this Greenock. So at the minute we're just looking for a petrol station. The boys are low. Just following along this road, see if we can get one. Should be one near enough, I don't know. Probably fix that down there. Nice big sculpture there. Just stand up to get a view of it there, yeah. Like two ship workers with the big fucking sledgehammers. Yeah, nice one. Huh?
Yeah, park.
Why?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping lifted scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was landed in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you do not know, silence like a cancer rose. Hear my words that I might teach you, play my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, speaking of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe people talking without, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence.
That's it, folks. That's us in the boat. That's the Duff man there. The other two boys must be still boarding. So great job. That's the end of the trip. So hit that like button and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.